Tinnitus? Or how do you pronounce?
Tinnitus.
Either or, but tinnitus is the...
Tinnitus or tinnitus?
Tinnitus is
Whatever the pronunciation. It means hearing sounds in the ear. All kinds of sounds, very unpleasant sounds. I've never found a patient suffering from tinnitus enjoying it. It's a bothersome thing. It's a disease. It's a sharp, hurting sound. It's a sound that displeases you. It's a sound that puts you off. It's a sound that bothers you. It's a disease. But the sound of the bell is so mellow that comes inside. It's so melodious. It pulls you. You enjoy it. It's totally different. Don't mix up the two. One is a disease. The other is the sound of consciousness inside. And the experience is totally different of the two. So if you have shrill sound coming in, see if you can find some treatment for tinnitus.